Hold on, let me check. Where is my kryptonite? Ah, okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's finally broke the range. No, if you go for a pullback over here, your trend is not really confirmed on the 5-minute chart, so you'd have to go with that. So if you are sure about what's going on the 5-minute chart, is what makes a difference. But if you look at the 1545, yes. Okay, if you're watching this and then it broke out, but you see it's still not broken out of that level. So if you're going to take a pullback, it's going to be kind of a bit aggressive in $100. And then when it went up and pulled back, you had quite a lot of volume in there. Actually, just check the volume. Let's change that to normal volume. Yeah, so you see, volume would have helped you here. So if you look at the 1547, it goes up, and then volume goes away, it pulls back. So yes, you could have taken an entry there, 1555. I'm actually live on the stream, by the way. So you can run the stream to see what's going on in the chart. Probably this is a bit delayed though. But you know my chart, okay? So yeah, and on the second breakout, check that, right? So we still see. Let me put a horizontal line on this. Tell me, like, how much delay do you experience from the chart and the stream? I know I'm on call with you on Discord. Oh, look at that. Okay, so where did this level come from? Why do I have a line there? Why do I have a line there? Okay. So hourly chart, that's the line from there. So the 5-minute chart wasn't completely broken out around that time. And the 1-minute chart, it breaks out. Can you hear me? Hello, I've got 8 people online. 7. Say hello if you're online. It's not a... Oh, hello. Budni. Welcome to the stream. I'm just going to talk about this Bitcoin for a bit, and then we're going to go to stocks. So it's funny, I started a stream with swing trading stocks Watchlist, and then I started talking about Bitcoin because I have somebody on call with me on Discord and want to explain this situation. Okay, so did you go long here? 1600. Okay, can you see the volume at 1601? Volume goes really up, and then when it pulls back to test those levels, volume is down, which gives you this opportunity to actually go long on 1604, and then probably add on at the break of the box. And then it hits the target level, and I think it's retested it twice. So that kind of failed. The second time it failed, 1611. And now what we see is what I call the PC pattern. So you see it fakes out. It tries to break the low, the box low, but it's followed by a continuation up. So I would normally have jumped above or at the close of the last candle, 1614, that I'm marking at. So if I go long here, my stop loss is below this level. And then if it comes to that level, I'll bring my stop loss to break even straight away. It's already hit that level and kind of reacted to it, so we can do that again. If not, if it crashes through, then we're just gonna let it run. All right. EAXH, is that Emma? Oh yes. Hello, and hello Troll. Hello AR. Hello Monini. Okay, thank you for saying hello, and I'm going to run the scanner. I've already done a video which gonna come out later on. I'm going to release it on YouTube. I was trying to stream earlier. Something was wrong with TradingView. Okay. Wait a second. So that's my scanner, the setup one bullish. To access the scanner settings, you'll have to be a member. So I'm sorry about that, but I will be doing this as the 20K challenge. I've got the live account on spread betting. If you're in the UK, then you're lucky because you can follow me on this. I've set 2 orders today, which haven't triggered yet. And the one that I did not set, obviously that one is gone. Let me just quickly go there before I run the scanner. Let's the IGA list. So I will go there on the daily chart. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be looking at the weekly chart and the daily charts. And I'll be looking for my setup one. So I also shared this as an idea. So if you hit the follow button, whenever I take a trade, I will upload that here as well. See, GAB here. There you go. The idea is here. So there's a chance. It's a slow moving stock and it's real estate investment. So not really a hot stock at the moment, but that's exactly what I want. Kind of slow one. Starts here. And if it reaches that level, that'll be a good exit. And the other one, CBRE, another one that's going up. The target on this is pretty good. The analysis on this is good because it's the high, all-time high on that. So CBRE, let's do that. I've done quick Elliott wave analysis on this. It's not the accurate Elliott wave, so forgive me if you disagree with the count. Don't really care about that much. All we want is 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, the waves going up and down. I take them from this. So we have a peak of AO, that's the wave 3, and then when it comes back to the 0 line, that becomes a wave 4. At 64, targeting 73. So not triggered yet, even though it kind of looks like it might get us triggered, but not yet. And the trades have gone live on my IG account, which you will see if you go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to upload that video. So when I was setting the orders, it's in that other video. So hopefully next time when we set the orders, it's going to be on live stream. So if anybody wants to follow, they can follow live. Right. So today I'm going to run the scanner because obviously every day I'm going to run the scanner. I have quite a scanner. Some of them are already on the list and some of them aren't. So I'm going to quickly go through some of them to show you like how I qualify these. So the first step is basically to run the scanner with the weekly and the daily charts running. I'm looking for my setup, which is the peak of 3 on this, like this, with the gator open and then the gator sleeps. Hold on, I need to have my correct template. I need the purple. This purple is actually the red line, almost the red line of the weekly chart. So I want the weekly going up, but as I look to the weekly chart quickly, this is not really a strongly trending chart. So I can add it to the list. So I'm going to have my main watch list here. I can add it to do further analysis on it later on. So shortcut key, Alt W on PC, go straight to my list. And then I can just use my arrow keys to go to the next chart. And this allows me to quickly go through 100 charts. I'll add this one. It's already there. Weekly chart is not really good, but I'll add it. It's already there. This one's already there. If it's, when I select a chart and it's already there, it gets highlighted somewhere here. All right, KXI, no. Yeah, this is the stock that gap strategy, guys, because it's a, you know, the price is low. It's under 10. So every time it gaps, those guys will probably trade it. So not necessarily, we don't want those kind of stocks for swing trading. We want slightly stronger ones. If a stock qualifies for, like, you know, day trading, the gap and go strategy with less than 50 million float and that kind of thing, those stocks kind of go up quick and then come down quick as well. They're spiky, so not really ideal for swing trading. Right, I'm going one, add this, it's already in it. Okay, oh, hold on. It's already in. It's a new one that entered, but the weekly chart is not really good. This is a good chart. Oh yeah, I've already got this. This is Empire State Building related thing, so another real estate. Okay, looks like I'm already halfway through. I'll add this one, already on the list. Ericsson, this is good setup on the daily, but weekly not good. Procter & Gamble, Apple Hospitality. Okay, sideways on the weekly. Let me know if I'm going too fast. Yeah, we should work sometime. 2 o'clock UK is my time to actually look for stocks. I think I probably move that to 3 o'clock. But 2:30 is probably better, because right at the open we can actually set orders if you have to set orders. And then after the orders are set, right, here we go. Is it a good idea that I run the scanner like this, or would you rather prefer that I've done my scanners and let's just share with you these are the stocks that I'm looking at? What do you think? Almost there. I'm running. I can run a couple more scanners, which will be for pullback entries and momentum-based entries. I didn't ask. Do you guys hear me properly? Okay. Brilliant. A lot of stocks haven't actually recovered from the pandemic effect. Once they've gone down, they've stayed down. Follow those stocks unless really something has changed for them. So I have seen some of the stocks that actually went down and then, you know, kind of like did this, and then around this area they went up again. And one of them is coming now. Okay. This is Seagate Technology. It's setting up. Now it's still, price is still below the gator, but the break, you know, pullback on the weekly chart is pretty good. CBRE is on my list. We have a pending order on this. And there you go. Almost done. Philip Morris. Philip Morris International. Tobacco people. Yeah. I can't believe I'm looking at Philip Morris. Aslan, this is that company